If your Infiniti QX80 is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Over 70% of smartphone integration issues are actually caused by the cable or the device rather than the car. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start by unlocking your phone and verifying you are plugged into the primary data port in the center console. Make sure Siri is enabled and check your screen time settings to ensure CarPlay isn't restricted. Using an official Apple or MFI certified cable is essential for a stable data connection. Identify if your issue is a physical connection failure or a wireless handshake error. Most fixes cost nothing, but a firmware update at the dealership might carry a labor fee. If all else fails, forget the connection on both the car and the phone and start fresh. Keep an extra high-quality cable in your glove box to test whenever connection drops occur. Software updates are the most common silent fix for these annoying integration bugs. Hopefully this got your maps back on the dash. Drive safe and we will see you in the next one.